Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. In this video, we are considering Accounting Information System, that is AIS Part 1. In this video, we study the definition and meaning of Accounting Information System and Computerized Accounting Information System with its structure. Let us know the definition and meaning of accounting. According to the Committee on Terminology appointed by the American Institute of Certified Public Accounts, accounting can be defined as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. In the definition, recording means making journal entry or journalizing of transactions that are in monetary form. Classifying means posting the journal entries into relevant ledger accounts. Summarizing means preparing final accounts, that is trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet and other necessary reports so that the information can be conveyed to concerned parties like firm owners, managers, shareholders, creditors, employees, banks, government, etc. Let us know the objectives of accounting. The first objective of accounting is to maintain systematic records. If we maintain financial records systematically, later we can retrieve them easily. It is also difficult for humans to remember huge number of transactions for long duration. Second objective is to ascertain net profit and net loss of the business. The purpose of any business entity is to make profit. Hence, it is necessary for any firm to check whether its activities are getting returns or not. Third objective is to ascertain the financial position of the business. It is necessary for companies to know their assets, liabilities, and equities. The balance sheet will reveal this. Fourth objective is to provide accounting information to the interested parties. Parties like firm owners, managers, shareholders, creditors, employees, bank and government want to know whether their contributions to the company is giving returns or not. Hope you know the basics of accounting such as types and branches of accounts, debit credit rules, concepts and conventions, bookkeeping, journalizing, ledger posting, trial balance as well as final accounts such as trading and P&L account and balance sheet. Let us know what is Accounting Information System or simply AIS. Accounting Information System or AIS is a system which accepts relevant data in monetary form, conducts the accounting process and communicates the financial and economic information to the concerned party for decision making. AIS inputs transactions, processes them and outputs financial information in the form of reports. A general structure of the AIS is shown in the figure. AIS generally contains bookkeeping, accounting and financial administration. The following books are generally maintained by the AIS, that is Sales Day Book, Purchases Day Book, Cash Receipt Book, Check Payments Book, Petty Cash Book, General Journal, Nominal Ledger, Accounts Payable Ledger and Accounts Receivable Ledger. No doubt, traditional or manual accounting has its own proven merits, but there are some limitations like use of paper, slow process, repeated data entry, errors, non-availability of instant reports, etc. To overcome these issues of conventional accounting, computerized accounting has been developed. Many issues of manual accounting have been solved in computerized accounting. Let us know what is Computerized Accounting Information System or CAIS. Computerized Accounting Information System is a system that combines the study and practice of accounting with the design, implementation, and monitoring of information systems by using modern information technology resources together with traditional accounting controls and methods to provide users the financial information necessary to manage their organizations. Or simply, CAIS is a system of electronically recording, classifying and summarizing transactions and events in terms of money as well as providing relevant financial information to the users for decision making. It is a process of automatic identification, measurement and communication of economic information. CAIS performs collection, storage, and processing of financial and accounting data that is used by decision makers. CAIS is made up of computer and information technology resources. This system can track and perform all accounting activities in an organization more efficiently and automatically compared to manual accounting. The CAIS provides timely statistical reports. Those can be used internally by management or externally by other interested parties, including investors, creditors, and tax authorities for future planning and decision making. One of the major uses of CAIS is in bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is considered as an art of recording business transactions in systematic manner. This page shows some examples of CAIS or accounting software. Let us consider the elements of CAIS. The CAIS commonly contains following 6 elements. First one, people. People are the users of the CAIS. Such people have proper knowledge in accounting practices and computer systems. Second one, procedures and instructions. These are the methods for retrieving and processing accounting data. Third one, data. It is the input, example transactions required for the CAIS so that data are processed and accounting information is generated. Next element is software. The software element has two things. One is the operating system with required utilities and another one is the accounting application software. Accounting software contains the computer programs used to process data according to the accounting principles. Fifth element of CAIS is information technology infrastructure. It is combination of computer hardware, network system with communication protocols that are used to operate the system. The last element of CAIS is internal controls. It is an element which controls accounting data and activities to avoid deviation and provide security measures to protect sensitive data. Let us know the basic structure of CAIS. The structure of a computerized accounting information system contains 4 key sections, that is input, process, storage and output. First section is input. The input section is responsible for receiving the financial data from the user or external system. It contains user interface software and terminals. The commonly associated components of AIS are standard personal computers or workstations running the accounting applications. The standardized monetary data is entered into CAIS through input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, or touchscreen. Input section also has electronic communication devices like cables, modem, switches, and routers for electronic data interchange, e-commerce, and for internet access. The input section ensures that relevant data enters the AIS and avoids irrelevant and duplicate data entry into the system. Second section is process. The process section transforms the input data into useful form that is suitable for reporting. CAIS uses computer processors, accounting application software and interpreters for processing the data. Majority of the accounting processing systems are based on double entry method. The basic objective of processing section is to classify the input data into relevant accounts and create balances as well as summarize the balances of all accounts. This section processes data using different modules like accounts receivables, accounts payables, payroll, inventory management, billing, budget, taxation, etc. The process section ensures that the data is processed and accounting information is generated accordingly. Third section in CAIS structure is storage. This is a support section which is responsible for storage of entered financial data, semi-processed data and processed financial information. This section makes provision to store huge amount of organizations' financial information and make it available to required sections of the system in time. Some of the devices associated with the storage section are hard disk, magnetic tapes, optical disks, flash drives such as pen drive, etc. Fourth section is output. The output section provides various kinds of financial reports like financial statements, inventory statements, salary statements, budgets, tax reports, etc. The output section contains user interface through which one can see the reports. The devices used for output sections are monitors, display devices, printers, and electronic communication devices including internet for EDI and e-commerce. The output section ensures that the final statements are displayed in proper format and printing of reports is facilitated as per statutory needs. It also provides inputs to other systems like management information system and decision support systems. This is a diagram of the basic structure of CAIS. In next video of AIS, we will study modules of CAIS as well as difference between manual accounting and computerized accounting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Let's Try channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.